Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download route on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then tap on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Now tap on offline maps. Now tap on select your own map. And guys, now choose the route you want to download. So suppose I'm choosing this route. And after selecting the route, click on download. So guys, as you can see, your map is start to downloading. And that's it, and the map has been downloaded. And that's how you can download route on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.